Nowadays, we have witnessed there are so many YouTubers are promoting day by day the AI uses. Different type of AI organizations, they are paying the YouTubers and YouTubers are promoting those paid AI services. Now what happened from my experience, I'm going to share that what will happen if you use these paid AI option in order to publish in a very good journal in a Scopus index. Now, my dear learners, the first of all, you need to see that paid AI organizations, they are helping us and there is no harm for it. However, these AI organizations, they are promoting by giving us some features. Now, these features allow us to write our research article very quickly. Yes, I understand that. However, that will enhance the AI detection rate, at the same time plagiarism rate. Now, journals are very smart nowadays. They are looking at the number of AI detection and number of plagiarism rate as well. And even if you are using humanized AI, the sentence structure are not accurate. And therefore, the Q1, Q2 journals and Scopus index journals, they quite often reject our paper from the desk. So in order to avoid that problem, we need to make some contribution original. And in order to do an original contribution, I can give you two best options. Number one, use the data. The more data that you can use, the better chance that your paper will publish in a Q1, Q2 journal. Secondly, if you are interested to do a modeling, even if you are writing from the life science, engineering or social science, modeling is very important. And obviously, I would suggest use mathematical modeling. So, mathematical modeling and use of data. If your research article are consist of mathematical modeling, mathematical derivation, at the same time data use, then you can avoid the higher AI detection, at the same time plagiarism, and that will make sure your paper make an original contribution, and that will lead to a good Scopus publication in a Q1 and Q2 journal. So do not fall under the paid promotion of the AI platforms. Make original contribution in order to publish in a Q1, Q2 Scopus index journal. Until next time, bye-bye.